APC. But Labour go talk say they never enter government before. La 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 la. Fa fa fa. This election, if you know who go vote for Labour Party or vote for Labour Party, tell them my wife we done well. We cannot afford to waste one vote. Ighodalo, una talk for 2020 when Governor Baseki they come back for re-election. Abi, una carry first. Una use for calling escort una. Una use for calling escort una. But this one, if nobody will follow now, all of them vote suppose give a just 60% lead. Abi, because now one time it is. Abi, Governor Baseki don't do well. He don't serve Bubaka people. He don't give us better candidates. He give us a pikin as running mate. Make we go vote and ensure say PDP win come September 21. Those ones that they tell say our vote level count. He go really count. He go ensure say Asue Ighodalo is the next governor. And Asue is the deputy governor. Come on us here. God will bless all of us. The strongest force for PDP. At least, if not for another thing, I don't know about another local government. If not for another thing, I don't know about any other local government. I don't say all the other local governments. Then they trust us because PDP work well for this local government. PDP invests well for this local government. Whether on infrastructure, whether on to develop human beings, and now PDP can give us deputy governor. Party will do that kind of thing for us. We go put on our back on that party. When I say PDP, you will say Asue is the governor. When I say again, Asue is the governor, you're not going to remind me, say, okay, is the PDP. Asue is the governor. Asue is the governor. Okay, the deputy. But I know what's in there. I don't want to talk too much. Because nobody's supposed to come campaign for here. Now we got the campaign. We know the people where we say we get as governor and deputy governor. There be men wey sabi. That's how we dey say they go do am. Because we know them well. The other candidates, I know they like talk about them. Either the candidate tell us say he don't know difference between museum, animal not dey museum, or he go say he go pre-poll and transform and then we go get 24-hour light. Or he go say he go give us insecurity. Former governor of Rivers State, he has some Wike say if he didn't if he didn't dare, he didn't dare. Not be talker and Wike talker. So we're not talking about them. I want to talk to our people. And I don't say last time mistake. That mistake where we make. Because we not take time to understand Nigeria. Say to become president for Nigeria, you must get spread to become president. Our local government. Because we like Peter Obi, we call the vote Labour Party. Now Peter Obi on the ballot. See all the obedient, all the better obedient, all of them don't sign up for AI. What are we for back there?
Obedient, clap for yourself!
All the obedient, they don't sign for AI. You know why? Now people will want to see progress.
I tell somebody, I said, even the candidate of Labour Party is stand against everything where Peter Obi represents. Peter Obi at that time believe say make equity day. Outside of the president, make outside of continue again. Make it see come south. Yoruba don't first do, make it go southeast. Now everybody come follow him. Benin man wey be say you no wan make governor leave here, say must be only Benin. You not gonna support her? No. Now only Governor Obaseki na interest. When the time reach, he say whether you be Esau, you be Esako, every Benin man must get that sense of belonging. Every Edo man must get that sense of belonging. Now he say he don't do governor for 8 years. Our Esan brothers never do. Make the thing go Esan. Now by himself consult with Esan leaders. The whole Esan leaders. They all agree say Asue Ighodalo. Now he be their candidate. What I talk, they all agree say that Asue Ighodalo. Now be their candidate. People will not believe say Esan go fit do governor. Then they struggle say they must be governor by themselves. They buy form, they contest, they struggle. As they see say no go fit reach their hand. You come dey see enemies when they know they greet each other. They come dey gang up. When you now see different kinds of teams come together, what do they want to do? Not be robbing they want go. Yes, sir. Edo State no get money wey they steal again. All the money for Edo State are for projects. If you tell life, you go vote PDP. And so, if you want to make this stop away there, so make you stop for Edo State. We don't care about the whole of Nigeria. For inside Edo State, you go vote what? PDP. If you want to make them continue to do roads, all the roads so that they go now, make them not talk to a banner project, you go vote for which party? PDP. If you want to make our schools continue to be as it be so they improve, when we don't become number one for Nigeria now, you go vote for which party? PDP. If you don't want to make pensioners don't begin the queue again for farmers in the name of education, so we're going to die. You go vote for which party? PDP. And if you want them to pay salaries every on the 26th, you don't go pass that day. Even if it's 12 midnight, you go vote for which party? PDP. You don't vote for government who not go owe salary once, you go vote for which party? PDP. Obaseki. Now be the governor who set the first increased minimum wage. He says 70,000. Now federal government come struggle, and now federal government come play. They never they pay. But Obaseki talk am, he do am. So I don't want to pass here. Because those who know the work pass me, they can't talk. Those who be saying they want to go government house, they can't tell us. Those who know the difference between Zoom and Mizzou, they can't talk to us. Those who know the difference between insecurity and security, they can't talk to us. Those who know how to read balance sheet, they can't talk to us. Not be those who be saying, according to Wike, if he didn't day, he didn't day. And they call our state chairman, the chairman will produce only governors.